Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure clients on Fiverr, complete guide step by step clearly. Identify your niche and determine what services you can offer. Research the competition in your chosen category. Analyze their pricing, description, and overall presentation. Create a Fiverr account if you haven't already. Choose a professional username that reflects your services. Complete your profile with a clear photo and a detailed bio. Highlight your skills and any relevant experience. Build a portfolio showcasing your best work. Design gig packages that cater to different client needs. Set competitive pricing by comparing with similar sellers. Write a compelling gig title that grabs attention. Craft an engaging gig description that include keywords that potential clients might use to search. Add a FAQ section to address common client questions. Use high-quality images and videos to enhance your gig. Set realistic delivery times that you can consistently meet. Promote additional services through gig extras. Utilize Fiverr's promotional tools to highlight your gigs. Share your Fiverr profile on social media platforms. Join relevant online communities and forums to showcase your services. Respond promptly to inquiries to build trust. Maintain a high level of communication with potential clients. Foster positive relationships by delivering quality work. Encourage satisfied clients to leave positive reviews. Continually update your gigs based on feedback and market trends. Stay active on the platform to increase visibility. Monitor your performance through Fiverr Analytics. Adjust your strategies as needed to attract more clients. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.